Good morning children. How are you all? I hope all are fine, isn't it? How is it? Online class? All of you enjoying? Okay. What all things you have learned in previous class? Okay. Now let's start our first chapter, Computer Networks. Computer Networks. Lesson 1, Computer Networks. Today's topic, types of network. Types of network. Network can be of different types. They are differentiated depending upon the geographical area they cover. Network can be of different types. They are differentiated depending upon the geographical area. Different type of network are PAN, personal area network, LAN, local area network, WAN, wide area network, MAN, metabolic area network, CAN, campus area network, then WLAN, wireless local area network. These are the different types of network. LAN, WAN, PAN, MAN, CAN, WAN. Okay. Next, PAN, personal area network. Personal area network. The term personal means personal area. In our personal area network is a PAN. It is a smallest network. It is personal to user. It has connectivity range 10 to 15 meter. PAN may be wired or wireless. PAN may be wired or wireless. It is a smallest network. It is personal to a user. It has connectivity range up to 10 to 15 meters. PAN may be wired or wireless. Understood? Example. See, this is a personal area network. See, one laptop. This laptop connected to earphone, printer, other monitor, one more laptop, mouse, mobile phone. See, personal area network, laptop. This laptop is connected to printer, earphone, mobile phone, one more laptop, mouse, then one more computer. See? Example. A person establishes a network connection. A person establishes a network connection with a smartphone or laptop or any devices, and then create a network to share that connection with other devices such as tablet, microphone, mouse, printer, etc. This is the PAN. Once more repeat. Example of PAN. A person establishes a network connection with a smartphone and then create a network to share that connection with other devices such as tablet, computer, mobile phone, mouse, etc. This is the personal area network, PAN. Okay. Next, LAN, local area network. In our local area using network is a LAN. It is most commonly used network that connect computer and devices that are very close to each other within a building, same offices and our campus. Okay, our campus we are using network, that is a LAN. Offices, home, local area network. It is most commonly used network that connect computer and devices. That is a LAN. Example, in our computer lab, teacher using one system, that is a server system. This server system connected to other computers. that is the LAN connection, local area network. Okay. Next, wireless local area network. Next, wireless local area network. See, wireless local area network. See this? Okay, it connects computers without the use of wires. It connects the computers without the use of wires or cables. All the computer and devices are connected with each other through wireless Wi-Fi. It connects computers without the use of wires or cables. All the computers and devices are connected with each other through wireless Wi-Fi. Okay, Wi-Fi connection. All of you know about Wi-Fi connection. That is a wireless local area network. Next, metropolitan area network. MAN, metropolitan area network. Metropolitan area network. It connects computers and devices. MAN, metropolitan area network connect. See, so many LAN connections are there. So many LAN connections. And see this metropolitan area network. It connects computers and devices which are physical area larger than LAN but smaller than WAN, like in a single city. It connects computers and devices which are in physical area larger than LAN but smaller than WAN, like in a single city. Example, see head office, factory. See this picture, all of you see head office, factory. Example, in my country and some companies accept to handling head office in central. It designed this product here and they had the factory on the eastern side. Now send this design to factory, we here on network. This type of network is known as metropolitan area network, which is not connected to the outer internet. Example, is my country and some companies accept to had handling head offices in central. It designs this product here and they had the factory on the eastern side. Now send these designs to factory, we here on network. This type of network is known as metropolitan area network, which is not connected to the outer internet. See this head office and factory. Next, WAN, wide area network, wide area network. It connects computers which are very far from each other, as in the different cities or even different countries. World Wide Web or WWW is a type of WAN. WAN is a wide area network. It connects computers which are very far from each other, as in the different cities or even different countries. Different cities or countries using that network is WAN. Okay, wide area network. Different countries and cities using network is WAN, wide area network. WWW. All of you know WWW. You are using the Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox. Typing HTTP URL is typing www. That you are getting the all information from the world. You are getting all information. www, World Wide Web, full form is World Wide Web. www, the full form is World Wide Web. You are getting all the informations. HTTP, in the Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome, you are typing http www, that is the World Wide Web. See example, you can see this world map. See this world map. Lot of networks are interconnected and you prepare a of them till using this is known as WAN. See this, you can see the world map, lot of network are interconnected and you prepare of them till using this is known as wide area network. Next, campus area network. It connects computers and devices which are physical area larger than smaller than man, such as university's campus. It connects computers and devices which are physical area larger than land, smaller than man, such as university campus. See, this is a campus area network, connect to hostels, library. See, campus area network can school connect hostel, hostel connect library, library connect again campus. Can. I think all of you understood the lesson computer network. Okay, now let's move to the worksheet section. You have to write short note on WAN. One more question. How a PAN is different from a WAN? How a PAN is different from a WAN? Thank you. Have a nice day.